Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to cut walls. So as example I will create walls in it. Okay, we create for the basic wall. And the next, if you want to cut the wall, okay, first you can create for the point, use the selection tools. Okay, I will click at these points to create in this wall. Click again. And the next I will click in here and then click again to apply. Now you can click outside. I will click at this area and then you can press delete buttons to cut the wall. Okay, I will create again. So you can select the wall and I will create for the points in this area. Click to apply. Click again in here. Click again to apply. And the next click outside. You can select the wall and then press delete button to cut. Okay, that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to cut walls.